Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, we're going to continue on talking about saws. But the saw we're going to talk about today, well, before I tell you what it is, humor me, don't turn this off and just skip right past it. Watch this, let's see, it might surprise you, okay? What I'm talking about is bandsaws. And there's all sorts of little bandsaws, different types that are you can use. There's the ones that are actually like for cutting metal. It kind of folds down and it rests on the pipe. Whatever you're cutting, it just cuts through automatically and automatically shuts off. But the ones, the type that we have that at first I didn't think we were going to get is one of those Delta bandsaws. Has like a 12-inch throat on it with the adjustable blade guide on it. And it's for doing art projects and stuff, which is why my wife wanted to get it. There has been so many things we have used that for that we never dreamed of using it until we had it. It's just one of those things you never think of. You monkey around and do all sorts of other ways of cutting something, and when you have bandsaws, oh wait a minute, we'll whip it out on the bandsaw and you get it done real quick. Now, bandsaws aren't for everybody. I understand that, but think about it. That's what these things are all about. Your prep today is to get you to think about it. Use your brain. Is there some way I can use that? Do I really need that? Check it out. Think about it. There are plenty of videos out there on bandsaws. Take a couple look at them. You might get an idea. Say, hey, yeah, that is something we want. All right. So before I take off here, though, I just want to thank everyone that has subscribed to the channel. A couple days ago, we did our 1,400 subscriber giveaway. Gave away some great stuff, and we're going to continue on with giveaways as the channel grows. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, now's the perfect time. Just click that subscribe button down there, and then click it again to bring up the notification, and ring the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a video, so you don't miss out on any of these things. Another thing is that I'm going to be putting at the end here, I'm going to be putting some links around here. One of the links I'm going to put up is to a video for our channel memberships. And take a look at it. Go over that video. Video is about 1 minute and 3 seconds. Really long video just talking about the channel memberships. I'm also going to put a link up here to my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound, which is my gardening, homesteading, family type channel where you watch us trying to set up our homestead here in Idaho. I'm going to put a couple playlists over here that you can share with people who are thinking about getting prepared. They're kind of leery about, I don't want to be a prepper. What am I going to do? Well, these playlists will help them understand that it's not out in the twilight zone. It's simple, common sense stuff for prepping. I mean, heck, they have car insurance. They're prepared for an accident. They have house insurance. They're prepared for an accident. Life insurance, medical insurance. Let them know, hey, you have that stuff, you're actually a prepper. You're prepping for the possibility of something happening. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and end this now with a short little thing on the back here, and we'll put up all the videos for that. All right, take care, keep adding to your preps, and I'll see you in the next video.